Pinnacle CNC Machine Tools. Who are they and why do they believe that service comes first? Pinnacle wants a partnership and not a customer-client relationship. So I wanted Neil to explain more of what he means behind this.
Well, Pinnacle in the UK, the UK distributor for the Pinnacle Machine Tool Company of Taiwan. We're an independent company based here in the UK solely to distribute their products. Well, we've been dealing with our customer base for a long time, providing service and maintenance and repairs to machine tools. And one of the things that keeps coming up is the service levels from the existing machine tool companies are a little bit lacking. So we had an opportunity to work with Pinnacle to provide new machine tools into the UK market and integrate that with our service and repair function. And we think that's going to create a real strong value proposition for our customers.
Pinnacle identified there was a requirement for improved service in the industry, and that's why the brand was formed, something that Neil is passionate about.
Well, obviously purchasing the machine tool is just the first bit of the puzzle. What's really important is what happens after that machine's installed and for the foreseeable future. That could be a purchase that's going to last 20 plus years for that customer. So for us, what we want to do is be able to provide that machine tool for them, install it, and then provide the backup and service and support that they're going to need for the next 20 years whilst operating that machine, and help them to really maximise the value that they get out of that machine. Pinnacle in the UK is part of the Nutronic group, and Nutronic is a 24 hours a day, 7 days operation providing maintenance and repair services to machine tools and other manufacturing industries. So we're going to apply that same strategy of providing 24/7 repairs to our machine tool customers. So if you buy a machine tool from us and you're having any issues or you need any service on it, day or night, we'll be there to support you.
With such huge competition, inevitably, I had to ask Neil what makes Pinnacle so unique and different.
Well, the Pinnacle range is a really varied range. So we've got standard sort of 3-axis machines, right up to double collar gantry machines, 5-axis, twin pallet machines, turning centres, horizontal machining centres. So we've got a lot of options. So we've got a machine that will fit into just about every segment. Pinnacle brand began in Taiwan in the 70s, and it still remains family owned today. And that's one of the really important things about Pinnacle. Because it's family owned, there's a really strong focus on the quality of the machines and the innovation that they put into their machine tools. And that was one of the things where we were looking for a machine tool where we saw the synergies with our own business, and why we decided to opt for distributing the Pinnacle machines, because we share a lot of the same thoughts about how a company should be run and how the products should be as well. We've got options for your individual machine shops who might have 1 or 2 or maybe 3 machines, but then for larger manufacturing companies that have maybe got upwards of 50 machines, there's a machine in the Pinnacle range that will fit for all of those people.
So what makes Pinnacle so unique in the market?
Well, really I think it's the quality and it's the value proposition for the customer. Traditionally I think there's been a situation where you either spend a tremendous amount of money on a machine tool and you buy that quality, or you buy a cheaper machine tool and you sacrifice quality for that. Pinnacle offers you both. You've got a really good value for money machine, and you get real good quality all in one package.